Now, if you look out over here, these are the Rocky Mountains from the eastern side, and you see these clouds. These are stratus clouds hugging the top of the mountain. And over here, you can see some puffy cumulus clouds hugging the top of a mountain. Although they're getting less puffy as it warms up. This is something called orographic lifting. You have air, it's moving across the land, and when it encounters an obstacle, it can't go through it, so it must go over it. So it goes over these mountains, and as it rises, the air cools and it hits the dew point, and water droplets come out of solution, or ice crystals in this case. And when it does, you get a cloud. Now, that's called orographic lifting, and the Vikings, again, that cloud's fading by the minute. These in the background you can see a little better. The Vikings and the Polynesians, on opposite sides of the planet, completely independent of each other, both figured out how to use this to their advantage. They've realized this, and they realize it doesn't just happen on land. You see, it happens also over the ocean. And if they were on a long voyage across the ocean with no land in sight, if they saw a cloud on the horizon that just hung out there and didn't move, they learned that if they sailed for it, underneath that large stationary cloud, they would find an island, or they would find land. So you got two different cultures on opposite sides of the world taking advantage of orographic lifting to see over the horizon. Because maybe you couldn't see the land over the horizon, but the cloud, being much higher up, would be visible from much farther away. And both the Polynesians and the Vikings learned that if you saw that and you're in the middle of the ocean, well, there was land under that cloud. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and that's orographic lifting, and my fingers are freezing. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.